In this video, we are going to look at how to join two texts. For this, I have taken a table with first name and the last name, and we are going to look at three different ways of joining a text. The first one, we are going to use the Excel formula, and there are two formulas that we could use. The first formula is concat. When we use a concat, it gives us a syntax where we are going to choose the first name, comma, within quotations a blank space, another comma, and the last name. By choosing this, it's going to give us the full name of an employee based on the column B and C. Again, we are going to do the same thing, but we are going to use another formula which is again going to give us the same results. The formula is concatenate. So if you double click on it, it's going to give us the same syntax. I'm going to select the first text, comma, within quotations a blank space, a comma, and the last name. So in this formula as well, we are going to get the same results. However, concat is the latest formula that is being available on Excel, and concatenate is a formula that can be used in the earlier versions of Excel. Now let's move on to the table 2, where we are going to introduce another methodology on how to bring in the last name, comma, first name format. We are not going to use the formula here. However, we are going to use another methodology. Equals the last name, and we use an ampersand symbol which is going to join the text, and within quotations we are going to say a comma and a blank space, when an ampersand and the first name. When you hit enter, you're going to look at the last name, comma, first name format. So here we are joining the text with an additional character. However, we are not using the concat formula or the Excel formula. Now let's move on to the third table, where we are going to bring in the join text in a multiple line, or let's say in this example it's going to be 2 lines. I'm going to use the same ampersand symbol here. It's going to be a little easier rather than typing it the concat or the concatenate. So let's within quotations ID colon a space, and let's say an ampersand. I'm going to select the ID here and then an ampersand. Here I'm going to introduce a character. So it's a key code that is being used for the next line. So I'm using 10, and again I'm using an ampersand symbol. Within quotations I'm going to say name, a colon, space, quotation close, and ampersand, and name. Bingo. So if you look at it, you may see everything on the same line. However, if you wrap text, you will see they are appearing on the next line. If you have any questions, please drop a note on the comment section.